Hello everyone, so today we're gonna talk about signal to noise ratio. What is signal to noise ratio? Signal to noise ratio is a form of noise analysis that used to compare noise and signal at the same point, which aims to ensure that the noise is not excessive. It is the ratio of signal power mathematically expressed as S over N, which is signal to noise ratio, is equal to PS, which is the signal power, over PN, which is the noise power, and it is also equal to VS, which is the signal voltage, over VN, which is the noise voltage, squared. And you should also remember na ang signal to noise ratio ay unitless. Okay, unitless siya, pero pwede din natin siya i-convert to decibel or i-solve as decibel. Kapag i-solve natin siya, tapos ang gusto nating sagot ay decibel, ang gagamitin nating formula ay 10 log PS over PN or 10 log VS over VN squared. So, nakadepende yan sa given. Kung ang given sa problem ay signal power at noise power, di ang gagamitin natin PS over PN. Pero kung ang given naman ay signal voltage or noise voltage, ang gagamitin naman natin ay yung VS over VN squared. Sample problem. For an amplifier with an output signal of 10 watts and an output noise power of 0.01 watts, determine the signal to noise power ratio. So, dito sa problem na to, ang given ay yung signal power at yung noise power. So, ang gagamitin natin ay yung PS over PN. So, for the signal to noise power ratio, substitute lang natin 10 over 0.01, so we'll get 1,000. So, ang signal to noise power ratio niya ay 1,000. Pero, paano naman kung gusto natin siya i-express in decibel? So, gagamitin natin yung isang formula which is 10 log PS over PN. So, magiging 10 log 10 over 0.01 at ang makuha natin ay 30, so 30 decibels. Now, signal to noise power ratio can also be expressed in terms of voltages and resistances. So, yung kaninang sample problem natin, ang given doon ay power. Tapos, nabanggit ko naman din na kapag ang given naman ay voltage, so, pwede din. Pero, what if ang given ay voltage and resistance? May given na resistance. Ang gagamitin namang formula doon ay S over N dB. So, ibig sabihin, ang magiging sagot dito ay decibel, 10 log quantity Vs or the signal voltage squared over R input or the input resistance over Vn squared or the noise voltage over R out, which is the output resistance. Yan. If the input and output resistances of the amplifier, receiver, or network being evaluated are equal, then, so kung equal yung resistances natin, yung input at yung output resistances natin, pwede natin silang i-cancel. So, ang matitira na lang ay 10 log Vs squared over Vn squared. So, pwede natin ilabas yung squared. Magiging 10 log quantity Vs over Vn quantity squared. So, pwede nating sabihin na ang formula for that is 20 log Vs over Vn. Again, itong formula na to ay gagamitin natin kapag equal yung input and output resistance ng amplifier, receiver, or network na ini-evaluate natin. Sample problem. For an amplifier with an output signal voltage of 4 volts and an output noise voltage of 0.005 volts and an input and output resistance of 50, determine the signal to noise power ratio. So, first na gagawin natin is alamin kung power ba siya, voltage ba siya, or voltage siya na may resistance. So, kung mapapansin natin dito, so sa problem na to, ang given ay voltages and resistance. Tapos, dun sa resistance na given, sabi dito, same sila. So, dahil same sila, ang gagamitin nating formula ay yung 20 log Vs over Vn. So, we substitute the given. So, 20 log 4 over 0.005, we get 58.06 decibels. So, that's it for our lesson about signal-to-noise ratio. Thank you!